And again, welcome to the MasterCAM course. In that lecture, we're gonna talk about surface finish toolpath. Okay, I'm gonna turn to right mouse button and mill toolpath operation and surface finish toolpath and contour toolpath. And then I just need to hit all color entities, and then I need to select this one. And this face is selected, and then I just need to hit enter button. And then let me create my boundary. Oops. We can unselect them. We can turn to the chain. Select our boundary. And then I can turn to the create new tool. And then I'm gonna create and reduce tool. So this is actually 8 millimeters with reduce tool. And then this is gonna be my feed rate and my cutting speed. And then let me turn to the surface parameters. It can be 3 and 1 millimeter. We can also activate clearance plane is absolute 5 millimeter. And then that's going to be 0. So this is the actually tool boundary relation, and it can be center of to my tool. Let me turn to the finish parameters. It can be 1 millimeter and conventional machining and zigzag machining. We can also hit the optimize cut order. We can activate cut depths. We're gonna make them 0 to 0, and then when we turn to the absolute, it can be 0.2 millimeter and z-axis minus 71. Then we can hit that button, and then let me calculate my toolpath. After that, all the toolpath is calculated like this. Okay, can you see that this is the perfect toolpath? I think. Okay, this is for finish contour toolpath. After that, of course, we can also use right mouse button, mill toolpath, and transform options. We can select the surface finish contour toolpath and rotate, and we can turn to the rotate options. We just need to hit OK button, and our toolpath is gonna calculate it right now. Okay, anyway, it can be seen here. All my toolpath is calculated. Okay, after that, let's turn to and this reduce, and then we're gonna finish our program.